everyone and good evening. My name is Renata. Today I want to take you on a journey of coloring my own hair. I know it's not very exciting perhaps for some of you, but I live here in Thailand, Pattaya for the past 5.5, almost 6 years with Ryan, my son Ryan. He is 8 years old. Originally Ryan is from Hong Kong. We are living here our simple regular life. So if you are an expat living in Thailand, Pattaya, or in general, doesn't matter where you're from, if you like simple vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, beauty, skincare, I am 40 years old. I'm 41 years old. I'm going to be 42 in 6 months, and I absolutely love skincare, home care. Ryan is playing on the iPad. Okay, I'm going to go to the car and get my shopping because I got some meats and everything. Oh, I might do that a little bit later. This is Dash, Gloria. I'm going to show you what kind of color I'm using today. This one and this one. So I'm going to be mixing two colors today to make sure that I'm going to have a nice color. One is caramel brown and another one is also caramel brown, but one is 5.32 and another one is, oh, both of them 5.32. Perfect. Meaning it's just a different packaging, but it's the same color. Let's see. So before I start coloring my hair, I always take Vaseline and go all the way around the hairline and also on my ears or anywhere where I think lots of hair color can be transferred to. You can see, I love it, I love it. I think the hair color will be amazing. Now is, I'm not sure what time is it, 6:40. I'm going to leave it for at least 30-40 minutes, then wash it off. And now let's continue evening routine. I need to clean this mess up. Also clean up my face. Already cleaned up a bit, but you see, if you have a Vaseline around and then you have any color, wipes off really easily without affecting the skin. See? Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, my beautiful people, I'm not sure about you, but I always have either a junk drawer, many random things, but I also recently started to really crowd this area. What is here? Ryan's goggles. Where are they going? They are going to another junk drawer, which is here. Here we are. What else do we have here? We do have a perfume which is finished. I really like this one. Very simple smell. It says that it has 0 parabens, zero mineral oil and 0 alcohol, and it smells like a dream, and it says carefree dream. I love it. Oh, New Face. So I use this New Face Mini for the past few years. I absolutely love it. My face looks more firm. It feels firm. It looks firm and also has more defined jawline, not sagging skin. This is a very nice handbag or pouch, and I'm using it for my camera. I love it. I bought this in a second-hand shop. For those who knows me, I love second-hand shop. And here it looks really pretty, isn't it? So I'm trying to put the coins inside the bag here.
Yes.
And I need you to help me to hoover, please, before you go to work. Ryan, I need your help. All right. Okay, don't worry about it.
Okay.
So now I will take you outside and will show it to you how outside looks like. I know it's going to be a lot of leaves. It's very wet here because it was so much rain earlier. Oh, need to be careful with my colored hair and a white curtains. Oh my God, it's so wet. I washed and dried my bedding, but unfortunately it's all wet. It doesn't matter, it's going to smell really nice. Here is Ryan's toys, all kind of boxes and toys. can you close the door, please? So here is a meat for the next couple of days. I also cook dog food most of the time. Here is the apple, seems like they was on sale. Milk, Ryan going to take some to school. Also yogurt, eggs, croissant. By the way, I'm not sure if you knew it or not, but if was supposed to have number eggs. The higher the number, the lower the quality. So it starts from 0 and it goes all the way up until 4, maybe 3, 4. I'm not sure. My friend Elisa, she told me, but I forgot now. So far I wasn't able to find 0, only 1. So I guess this is the best quality. Ryan wants some apple. I'm going to chop it. Ryan, 5 minutes please, because I need to wash my hair later, otherwise they'll be too brown, okay? So every evening I take out all of the covers and I shake them outside, also carpets and rugs, and then going to quickly vacuum the floor, and then I'm going to mop it. I like when the house is nice and clean. It's 8 o'clock. Ryan usually goes to bed a bit earlier than this, and I want him to be kind of completely asleep by 8:30, and he wakes up around 6:30. I'm going to change rubbish bin, put some lavender essential oil inside. This way the bin, it smells really nice. I bought this essential oil. I'm going to put it inside the bin bag. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today is Saturday. Ryan and I, we are going to a birthday party, and then we are going to a friend's house. So let's spend Saturday afternoon with us. Now it's 3 o'clock. I'm just baking some chicken in the oven, and then going to take this chicken, put it in the car, go to the party, and then straight away to a friend's house. So the car will be smelling of a chicken.
It's rubber.
After the birthday party, went to see my friend Maria, chatted with other friends of ours, had a lovely time, and the following day I had to go to Japan because my passport is expired. So I took a taxi to the airport. Flight was 12 o'clock in the night, in the morning, and I landed at 7 o'clock Japan time. I checked into the hotel at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but before that I had to be at Lithuanian embassy to take pictures, to fill the paperwork and so on. This was the first time as a tourist in Japan. Previously I've been in Japan when I was working for Emirates Airline, and I really enjoyed it, but I forgot how much walking I was doing. I found Lithuanian embassy just fine, but it took some time. I got lost, and not many people were speaking English, so I had to find my own way. It was actually really nice. The weather was good, about 10 degrees. Obviously compared to Thailand, it was just, like a heaven. Hotel was about 5,000 Thai baht, which is $100 US. I really liked it. It was very clean, not that big, but really nice. There was a small bathtub. I put some soap. I lay in there for about 20-30 minutes. I had good 11 hours of sleep. For those who knows, I am studying SEN, special education needs, and after 2 years I can apply for jobs somewhere that I really like. I can stay in Thailand because one school already offered me a job, or I could apply somewhere else, and I actually even considering Japan. Originally Ryan is from Hong Kong, and he has been living in Hong Kong for the first 2 years of his life. We adopted him when he was 2, and then we moved to Thailand when he was about 3 years old. So he doesn't really remember anything else other than Thailand. Thailand is amazing place, lots of playtime. His school is Odyssey International School. It's really lovely. But like I said, I don't mind to try somewhere else in the future. And here I'm showing to you second-hand purchase which I bought. a day before the trip. It's a really nice wallet in which I put my ticket, my coins, and it was so handy. I didn't need to fish around for coins or whatever. It was just easy access. I drank coffee, put on some makeup, spoke to Simon and Ryan. Ryan is so happy that I'm coming home. He was like, "Oh, Mom, I miss you so much. I wrote you another letter." So he wrote me one letter on the way to Japan, and then I found another letter when I landed. It was just really nice and amazing, and it makes you feel so good because you know that your child loves you so much, even is writing you letters. So yeah. Thank you everyone for stopping by, for leaving love, comments, and just supporting me through this journey. For those who knows me, I've been with my husband for almost 20 years and we been married for almost 15. And 6 months ago, we decided to go separate ways. We still remain very good friends. We respect each other. We have no bad words to say about each other. Well, at least from my part, and I'm sure from his too. But this journey is definitely not easy. I'm living in Thailand with our son Ryan. Simon lives somewhere else, but still in Thailand. And I just wanted to say thank you for being here.